Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how you can allow only numbers in an input field using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an input field. Let's enter some numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the moment I will try to enter a letter, for example A, B, C, D, I'll get the alert. And the alert is only numbers allowed. So this is what you're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Index.html. Let's have basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, that will be style.css. Add a script file at the bottom to the script.js. You only need one input element. Type will be text. Placeholder will be type here. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be brown. Select the input element. Font size will be 30 pixels. Display will be block. Margin will be 50 pixels and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be 2 pixels solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Outline will be none. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. In this input field, I can enter numbers as well as letters. To allow only numbers, you need to write a JavaScript code. So let's go to code editor. Create script.js here. Select the input element. Now to this input element, we need to add an event listener. That event will be input. This will be the handler function. This event will be triggered as soon as somebody will try to enter the value in the input field. The first step here is to get the value that is inside the input field. So let's create a variable here, value, and here we'll utilize the value property of the input element. Now here we need to use a regex to make sure a string contains only numbers. Let me show you the regex. So this is the regex that we need. Let me copy it. Create a variable here, regex, and paste it. And create a variable here is valid. There is a method test. You need to use this method and pass the value here like this. In case the value contains only numbers, is valid will be true. If it contains some letters, then definitely it will be false. So here we'll use the if statement. So if is valid is false, we'll show the alert, only numbers allowed. Also, we'll keep only numbers and get rid of any letters that a user has entered. For that, we have to utilize the slice method here. Let me show it to you. So to restore the value in the input field, we have to use value.slice method. 0, this simply means start from the very first character, and whatever the length of the value is, -1. Now let's say you have entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 characters. The 6th character will be a letter, for example A, B or C, whatever you will type. So in this case, total characters are 6, but we need only numbers. In that case, value.length will be 6. So 6 minus 1 will become 5. So we'll slice that string and keep only 5 characters in the input field. Now save it. Let's go to browser to see if it is working or not. So let's enter a value here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me put a letter here and I'm getting an alert. In a similar way, if I'll try 1, 2, 3 and type a letter, again I'll get the alert. Now there's a small issue in this. For example, if I'll just remove it, you can see I'm still getting this only numbers allowed despite the fact there's no value. Let me fix it. So if value dot length is equal to 0, we'll simply return. That's it. Save it. Now let's go to browser. Type here 1 2 3. Now let's go back. Now we are no longer getting that annoying alert. So I hope you understood how to allow only numbers in input field using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.